Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD Swiss franc. I will cover US dollar index, gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD Swiss franc first. So what I found basically on the multi-time frame analysis here is that I can still see the good odds for the upside because of this exhaustion and lots of divergences on the 8-hour time frame, and basically this breakout of this downside channel, basically, which is exhausting downside channel. And I found basically that if we check daily time frame, we got basically 2-day consolidation here, and there was a breakout yesterday. Now we're trying to take this tail. So from my perspective, buying opportunities are still preferable, and I can see basically that price can at least retest this 0.9640 and then eventually attack 0.9670 and 0.9770 level. So watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks. Watching the intraday chart, it seems like we can have a strong rally. Bigger trends are still up. We have a rising 50-day moving average. We basically have, if you see the weekly time frame, there was some key breakout of this consolidation. So all of this can just be a pullback for potential further upside movement. Speaking of the dollar index, the US dollar index for itself, there was a falling wedge that I alerted you yesterday. I will just go to the 8-hour time frame to show you there was also bull divergence on momentum oscillator, and there was a breakout yesterday. We can see basically that market is trying also to go for higher. We got some triangle consolidation. I expect if we can retake this high, that there is a potential for a retest of 102.42 level. So still seems like a dollar index got potential for the upside. Speaking of the gold market, we said that market is in a downside trading environment. Basically, there's a falling 20-day moving average, and market did a 4 to 5-day consolidation. But yesterday there was a breakout, and today we can see that there is we have a follow through. So from my perspective, watching for selling opportunities on the rally will be a good strategy, because there is a breakout of the consolidation in the background. If we just project this area here, which is about $30, if we project here, we can basically expect 810 to be like some objective to the downside, 810 level. And then if there's even bigger power, to expect this pin bar territory here at this stage around 1794. So selling opportunities on the rally is preferable on the gold market. Crude oil had a sell-off yesterday. We had a pullback. It's like a 4-hour had this flush down, but it got flushed down only basically to the recent swing high on this 4-hour time frame. We can see that market is trying to rebuild, and we got potential, sellers try to do something but failed, and we cleared that high. Seems like we can have upside continuation. 8-hour time frame looks like it's just a pullback, and there is another potential bull flag. Again, major breakout of this consolidation. The weekly looking like a very, very strong to the upside. Watch for buying opportunities for potential objective around the 118.90, 119.90, and even short-term 129 mark. Bitcoin versus US dollar had this breakout, and now it's basically just doing the consolidation. And we can see that basically 2-hour we lost some momentum there, but on this movement down, it seems like market is holding this rising 2-day mean. So it seems like there's still more potential for the upside, maybe to revisit 32,660 mark or 32,000, or just a second, on the daily time frame, this swing low at 34,415. So definitely I don't see any bigger reversals yet. So things like buying opportunities in the pullbacks, preferable strategy for the current regime. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. As always, trade safe, and speak to you tomorrow morning.